Does anyone know when exams started in the world? किसी को idea है नहीं ना? Actually, exams started in the Chinese dynasty 1500 years ago. And these exams were created so that the people who want to join the government, the elite class, the government was only because of the elite and prestigious class. So if they want to join the government, they have to appear for the exam. And if they pass it, then they get a government job. But then after that, what happened? Exams started in schools. This started in the University of Cambridge. They started it. And they are the ones responsible for all our problems today.
Basically, China.
China starting from yeah. So China is but see, every problem begins with China, but they also have a positive side to it. That is, say, if we didn't have exams, we would never be able to go to a doctor with confidence whether he's prescribing the correct medicines, whether he's going to operate on us properly or not, or whether the driver who is driving, is he going to have an accident or is the pilot going to crash the plane? So exams are important. They have their own importance, definitely. And you will notice when children are appearing for exams, at that time they get a little more active. Their brain gets a little, maybe a little tensed, but they start focusing on the exams to learn. But it sort of generates that sort of interest, okay, now I have to do it, and they start learning for exams.
I think in our system, exams are always there. In our gurukuls and all that thing, there were also, they take that gurus are and all, they take the pariksha and all. And it's always there. It's not that it started there.
You can say formal exams. We name it formal exams, which are created in the schools.
Basically, you mean in the system of education that we are following today?
Today, it has taken up a very big, it's like this, the magnitude has become too high. It wasn't limited only to इसने किया और इसने अच्छा किया, एकलव्य ने ज़्यादा अच्छा किया या अर्जुन ने अच्छा किया, and he is the best, Arjun is the best. It was limited to a small sect. But now it is all over the world. It is all over the world, and most children are suffering.